Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a web tool. First, clearly define your tool's purpose and who will use it. This initial step is crucial for guiding all subsequent decisions. Next, select the right programming language and framework, considering factors like scalability and community support. Finally, meticulously plan the user interface and user experience to ensure your tool is intuitive and enjoyable to use for everyone. Building a web tool involves several core technologies. For the front end, HTML structures content, CSS styles it beautifully, and JavaScript adds interactive elements. On the back end, languages like Python, Node.js, or Ruby handle server-side logic and data processing. Finally, a robust database, such as SQL or NoSQL, is essential for storing and managing all your tool's information securely and efficiently. As you build your web tool, adopt an iterative approach, breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. This helps maintain progress and allows for frequent adjustments. Crucially, integrate robust error handling and security measures from the very beginning to protect your users and data. Before launch, thoroughly test your tool across multiple web browsers and devices to ensure a consistent and flawless user experience for everyone. Once development is complete, choose a reliable hosting provider to deploy your web application, making it accessible to users worldwide. After launch, continuously monitor its performance and gather user feedback to identify areas for improvement and new features. Remember to regularly update and maintain your tool, addressing any bugs or security vulnerabilities to ensure it remains functional, secure, and valuable over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.